I just wanted to show you guys this 24-inch gaming monitor here. It's actually a curved monitor, and it's really good for gaming. I've had it for a few years now and never had an issue with it. I have never ran into any problems, anything like that. I use it for gaming, for work all the time. And I also want to show you guys this arm as well here. And this arm has really helped me a lot. Instead of just having the legs for the monitor, I have this arm, and you can adjust it up and down however you want. And you know, side to side. It's really good arm if you want to just have some room for other stuff and not have the legs on the table. But as far as this monitor, you can see here that it has the power here. It has 2 HDMIs, a display port, and you can also plug in your headphones here if you wanted to. Here are the buttons here, the power, and then there's like a menu, and then there's the different sources that you have, and then you have up and down here for volume and to navigate the menu here. But overall, this is a great combination with the monitor arm and with the monitor here.